This is a studio suite at the Villas at Disneyland Hotel in California. When you first walk in, there is a bathroom to your left, which we'll come back to. And then you walk into the living area. There are 2 beds. One is a queen size regular bed. Artwork from Tiana. The other is a pull down over the couch. So that piece above the couch pulls down for another queen bed, which is really convenient and a smart use of space. And again, more Tiana artwork behind it. Next to the beds, there are plenty of space for closets. There's a kitchenette. Television. Plenty of storage. Nice space. Very bright, natural light. And then we'll look at the bathroom. The bathroom is split. There is the sink and the shower tub as well. Really nice bathroom. And then there's a separate door here for the toilet. And that is the studio suite at the Villas at Disneyland Hotel.